As if that wasn't enough, batteries. It comes with 4 batteries. AA batteries are standard. That's all you need to get this thing running. They don't look very good batteries, they're just Maxell alkaline, so I wouldn't expect too much from these. But the point is, they've given you batteries, so you can literally, right out the box, you've got everything you need to get going. You don't need to buy anything for this. Literally, it's just good to go right out of the box. You don't have to worry about going shopping for anything else. Okay, that's some sort of camera mount for a strap. So obviously the camera will go in there, and this will fix onto something using a screw or God knows what, only pass. We'll figure that out later. So anyway, that's the POV 1.5 from VIO, or VIO, I don't know how they like it to be said. So basically, yeah, so it's a HD 720p helmet camera, or mobile camera. Pretty sturdy, tough looking piece of kit. Let me show you something else as well, because thanks to Sven Garli, I scored a 10% discount, which meant basically I get the VIO POV mount kit for free. Now this is an extra add-on you can buy that's got basically mounting clips and God knows what in it for everything. Because I didn't actually expect the POV to come with so many different fixtures and fittings. I thought, oh, I might need that in case I want to mount it in the car, or if I just want to go off on a general rant and scream and shout in the car. So I bought the mount kit just to keep my options open, and using a special code, a discount code that Sven Garli was giving out free of charge, yeah, I scored myself a 10% discount. But don't worry, I'll put the link in the video so you can go and get yourself one if you want to. But let's take a look at what's in here. This is the mount kit. In here we've got another helmet kit. I see what that round thing's for now. That round thing a minute ago, there's already one of these on top of one of these. So you can basically screw, velcro, sticky tab, or anyhow you like, super glue this on top of a bicycle helmet, crash helmet, anything you like. You can even mount this on your on the back of your wife's head, so you can film when you're up to naughty no goods. So that's that one. That comes with that. I don't think I'll be mounting it on the back of my wife's head though, don't worry. Another mounting plate there for something. Another 6 magnets. I'd actually like to know what they're for. That would be interesting to know how good they are. What else have we got in here? We've got a plethora of stuff in here, Jesus. Look at this. We've got some special kind of odd looking plate thing. Don't know what that's for, but it comes with some sticky back velcro, or a couple of sticky pads, so you can stick that to whatever you want when you figure out what it's for. If you already know, let me know. Saves me reading instructions. We've also got another camera clip thing, but this one's got a funny sort of tray on the bottom of it that's screwed in place. I think that's for a handlebar mount, based on what I've seen so far. Lots and lots of sticky back velcro strips, loads of those in here. Plenty of those, so you won't run out of those. A bunch of cable ties. We've got, one thing I do see is we've got quite a lot of these. There's quite a lot of these in the box. They're little rubber things. A bit flexible, you can squeeze them around. But they've got little holes in for straps and screws. I don't know what they're for yet, but I'm sure once I figure it out, I'll be sure to show you. What else? Oh, there's a whole, oh god, look at this. Alright. Screws. Tons and tons of little tiny velcro pads. Loads of those in here. Should bloody hope so for 50 quid. And another little plate thingy. Pass on what that's for. There's, what else is in there? Oh, elasticated strap. So you can strap this whole camera to your head and mount the, or you can strap this around your crash helmet or whatever you want. Plenty of options available here. Absolutely tons. So this is going to be fun. The only thing I've got to do now is figure out how the hell I'm going to mount this to my baseball cap, because I'm using this for radio control flying, so I won't be wearing stupid cycle crash helmets or any of that other stuff. No motorcycle helmets for me. Although saying that, if you see my flying, you might be a bit better, might be safer off wearing a crash helmet. but you might think I should wear one. That's the VIO POV 1.5. Pretty impressive looking piece of kit. It's going to be fun trying to work out how to use this for radio control filming of flying. I've got no idea how I'm going to mount this yet. It's just literally get it, take a chance and see if it works. So we'll see how we get on. I'm going to be making a video at least once a week while the weather's good. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'm off to the field today if the weather's good and I'm not feeling too camera shy. If you've got any questions on the POV or anything else that you happen to see me chattering about, let me know. Leave a question in the comments. I'll post all the links to all the stuff that I'm showing you so you can see what and where and God knows where it comes from. Worked out a good deal for me, so I'm going to go and try and figure out how the hell to get this on my helmet, and hopefully I shall talk to you soon. See you later, guys.